हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशनल एकेडमी। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी पार्ट 1। तो स्टूडेंट्स, मेरे वीडियो को फर्स्ट से लास्ट तक देख लीजिए, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। तो हर एक एग्जाम में इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, तो मेरे वीडियो को फर्स्ट से लास्ट तक देख लीजिए और अच्छे लगे तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी पार्ट 1। मेल सेक्स हार्मोन, जो मेल का जो हार्मोन होता है वो है टेस्टोस्टेरोन। ओके, वो जो फीमेल सेक्स हार्मोन है, फीमेल सेक्स हार्मोन ईस्ट्रोजन, मेल सेक्स हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन एंड फीमेल सेक्स हार्मोन ईस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरोन। ओके, then which one of the following statements about lymph is correct? Lymph is formed due to leakage of blood through capillaries. Which of the following hormone is called emergency hormone? इनमें से कौन सा हार्मोन को emergency हार्मोन कहा जाता है? एड्रेनालिन। Which of the following control blood pressure? Which of the following control blood? इनमें से कौन सा जो ब्लड प्रेशर को कंट्रोल करता है वो है एड्रेनालिन। लाइफ सेविंग हार्मोन इज एड्रेनल। Which one among the following glands is present in pairs in human body? Adrenal. Then insulin is a kind of hormone. Insulin is a kind of hormone. Consider the following minerals: calcium, iron, sodium. Which of the minerals given above is or are required by human body for the contraction of muscles? Consider the following minerals. The right answer is D. Calcium, iron and sodium. Which of the following cells secrete insulin? Beta cell. Beta cell secrete insulin. Which of the following gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? इनमें से कौन सा ग्लैंड है जो कि इंसुलिन जो सिक्रेशन होता है वो रेस्पॉन्स करता है? वो है पैनक्रिएज। नेक्स्ट, The filtration unit of kidney is nephron. Islets of Langerhans is situated in pancreas. Corpus luteum is a mass of cells found in ovary. Corpus luteum is a mass of cells found in ovary. In humans, the sound is produced by the larynx. इन ह्यूमंस, मनुष्य का जो साउंड आता है वो कहाँ से? लैरिंक्स। Which one among the following enzymes is unique in the alimentary canal of cattle? Cellulose. Strongest muscle of man found in. Strongest muscle, मनुष्य का जो strongest muscle वो कहाँ से है? जो कहाँ दिखा जाता है? जो से। द मेल सेक्स एक्सेसरी डक्ट्स इंक्लूड भाषा एफरेंसिया, एपिडाइमिस, वाच, डिफरेंस एंड रेड टेस्टिस। देन व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग कैरीज इम्प्योर ब्लड टू ह्यूमन हार्ट? वेना कावा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सेंस ऑफ बैलेंस इज अचीव्ड बाय। द सेंस ऑफ बैलेंस अचीव्ड बाय सेरिबेलम इक्विलिब्रियम। Part of eye used during eye donation is cornea. Amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by iris. Which of the following prevents collapsing of trachea? Cartilaginous disc. Glucose is a type of hexose sugar. The next, which of the following is true with reference to blood platelets? They are also called thrombocytes. Color of skin depend on melanin. वो जो स्किन का कलर किस किस का काला होता है, किस किस का गोरा होता है, वो किसके हेल्प से? मेलानिन के प्रेजेंस से वो स्किन का कलर डिपेंड होता है। एलेंटोएस ऑफ एम्ब्रियो हेल्प्स इन रेस्पिरेशन। लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी का जो लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन होता है वो है स्किन। नेक्स्ट, Animal protein is called first class protein because it is rich in essential amino acids. Rich in essential amino acids. The hardest part of human body is enamel. The hardest part of human body is enamel. Which one of following organ have the capacity of regeneration? Liver. During the process of respiration in human beings, the exchange of gases takes place in alveoli. During the process of respiration in human beings, the exchange of gases takes place in alveoli. In an accident, a person's brain was injured, due to which he could not regulate body temperature, hunger, and water balance. Which one among the following parts of his brain was affected? Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. RBCs are formed in the days in the adults. RBCs are formed in the red bone marrow in the adults. Weight of an animal body is mostly the weight of water. Weight of an animal body is mostly the weight of water. The number of essential amino acids found in men. The number of essential amino acids found in men is 20. Then next. Myoglobin contains the metal iron. Myoglobin. Normal temperature of human body is 36.9 degrees Celsius. Blood bank of human body is spleen. Blood bank of human body is spleen. Bile is stored in gallbladder. Weight of human brain in gram is 1350. Normal temperature of human body in the Kelvin scale is 310. If the radius of blood vessels decrease, the blood pressure will increase. Number of spinal nerve is none of these. Main function of skeleton is to provide the shape of body. Main function of skeleton is to provide the shape of body. In whole body mass, the percentage of blood is 7%. Then by EEG we can observe the activity of brain. Number of valves found in human heart is 4. Alpha keratin is a protein present in skin. Match the hormone in list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using codes given below. Okay, then the right answer is adrenaline. Adrenaline, anger, fear, danger. Estrogen, female sex hormone. Insulin is glucose. Pheromones is attracting partners through sense of smell. Okay, then match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. Atropine, the right answer, dilation of pupil. Ador is local anesthesia. Nitroglycerin, heartbeat. Pyrethrin, mosquito control. Okay, then question number 52. Match list 1 endocrine gland with list 2 hormone secreted and select the answer. Gonads, progesterone. Pituitary, growth hormone. Pancreas, insulin. Adrenal, cortisol. Okay, then with reference to the human body, consider the following statements. The production of somatotropin goes up when a person exercises. Men's testes produce progesterone. Women's adrenal glands secrete testosterone. Stress causes the adrenals to release very less amount of cortisol than usual. Which of these statements are correct? 1 and 4. The right answer is 1 and 4. Okay. The production of somatotropin goes up where the person exercises. Stress causes the adrenals to release very less amount of cortisol than usual. Which vein brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart? Pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart. With reference to normal human beings, consider the following statements. In response to the presence of HCl, secretin is produced from the duodenum. Enterogastrone is produced in the small intestine in response to the presence of fatty acid. The right answer is both 1 and 2. Okay. Which of the following enzymes takes part in protein digestion inside the stomach? Pepsin. Which of the following is true about pancreas? Pancreas is a part of both digestive and endocrine system. Which of the following is true about diaphragm? The diaphragm is arched in normal expiration. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Which endocrine gland requires iodine to synthesize a particular hormone whose deficiency may cause goiter disease? Thyroid gland. In human body, what is the number of cervical vertebrae? In human body, what is the number of cervical vertebrae? 7. Which is the longest and strongest bone in human body? Femur. Femur is the longest and strongest bone in human body. Which of the following vitamin is soluble in water? Which of the following vitamin is soluble in water? Vitamin C. Athletes with higher proportion of red fibers in their muscles are better equipped for which of the following? Swimming. Cholecystokinin is a hormone which, when injected in human body, decreases appetite. Which of the following organ functions are correctly matched? Gallbladder transports bile, liver releases insulin, pancreas stores bile duct produces bile. Then B. Gallbladder stores bile, liver produces bile, pancreas releases insulin, bile duct transports bile. This is the right answer. And next, the tracking of people by trained dogs is based on the recognition of which of the following compound in the sweat from feet? Carboxylic acid. Vermiform appendix is an vestigial organ. Fibrinogen is converted into fibrin by thrombokinase. Which one of the following elements is involved in the control of water content of the blood? Potassium. Energy is required for maintenance life obtained by a process is called decomposition. Energy is required for maintenance of life, it is obtained by a process called decomposition. Which one of the following is not a part of nerves? Connective tissue. Which one of the following statements is not correct? The sensitivity of the human ear does not vary with the frequency of the sound. The buffer action of blood is slightly basic due to the presence of chlorine and HCO3-. Consider the following statements about the hemoglobin. It carries oxygen in the blood. It is iron containing compound. It provides immunity against certain diseases. It imparts red color to the blood. It carries oxygen in the blood. This is right. It is iron containing compound. This is also right. And it imparts red color to the blood. This is also right. The right answer is D, 1, 2 and 4. Then next. A surge of which hormone stimulates ovulation in human females? Luteinizing hormone. Which one of the following enzyme is found in human saliva? Tyalin. Tyalin enzyme is found in human saliva. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Cowper's gland, intestine. The web portal ducknet is related to e-agriculture. Then the sexual reproductive organs of aspergillus are antheridium and ascogonium. What is the main purpose of white blood corpuscles? To combat infection. To combat infection. Which of the following is used as anesthetics? N2O. N2O. Which part of the human brain is the center of hunger, thirst and sleep? Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Which part of the human brain is the center of hunger, thirst and sleep? Hypothalamus. Which blood group is universal acceptor? AB positive. Human stomach produces acid X which helps in digestion of food. Acid X is hydrochloric acid. Which one among the following statements about stomach is not correct? Stomach secretes lipase and amylase in gastric juice. Which one of the following organs breaks fat to produce cholesterol? Liver. Okay. An individual whose blood type is B may in an emergency donate blood to a person whose blood type is AB or B. Which one among the following statements is regarding cell is not correct? Same type of cells are present in all body tissues. Insulin was discovered by Frederick Sanger. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin E? Fresh vegetable. What is the name of the hormone produced by thymus gland? Thymosin. The largest organ of human body is liver. Name the vitamin not found in any animal food. Name the vitamin not found in any animal food. Vitamin C. Which phenomenon do birds or dolphins use to find prey, predators or obstacles? Echolocation. Which part became modified as the tusk of elephant? The right answer is second incisor. Which is the largest living bird on earth? Largest living bird on earth is ostrich. Which among the following is largest endocrine gland in the body? Thyroid. Blood does not coagulate inside the body due to the presence of heparin. Blood does not coagulate inside the body due to the presence of heparin. Hormone insulin is a peptide. In which organ of the human body are the lymphocytes cells formed? Long bone. A person feeds on rice and vegetable made up of potato only. He is likely to suffer from deficiency of proteins. ओके। और स्टूडेंट्स, आज मेरा ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। तो मेरा अगले वीडियो में मैं ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी पार्ट 2 लेकर आऊँगा। ठीक है, धन्यवाद।